KitchenAid has taken everything cooks love about stainless and dressed it in black. Behold the first ever black stainless appliances. The lustrous, satiny black color makes a bold statement, yet retains the authentic beauty of stainless steel by allowing the soft brush quality to come through. The finish is offset by polished chrome details and satin textured handles. The warm yet sleek effect is stunning and designed to stay that way, with an easy-to-clean print shield finish that resists fingerprints and smudges. Dramatic on its own, black stainless also pairs perfectly with stainless steel appliances and enhances the look of the most popular kitchen trends, complementing traditional or contemporary, cool or warm tones. KitchenAid offers black stainless in a variety of appliances, from refrigerators to ovens, dishwashers to vents. So no matter how you love to cook, this is how beautiful KitchenAid can make it look.